Dreaming, after all, is a form of planning. Every great achievement begins as an idea. Every successful business starts with someone who dares to imagine a better future. The life you want isn't built overnight. It begins the moment you decide that where you are today doesn't have to determine where you'll be tomorrow. Dreams without action remain wishes, but when you combine vision with the right opportunity, the right training, and consistent effort, those dreams become goals, and those goals become reality. Imagine waking up each day knowing you're building something that belongs to you. Imagine creating an income that doesn't reset to zero every month. Imagine helping businesses and families reduce an expense they already have instead of convincing them to spend more money on something they don't need. That's exactly what TruPowur was built for. As an independent TruPowur broker, you'll help customers compare energy suppliers, identify potential billing errors that could qualify them for refunds, and secure competitive energy solutions that can lower their monthly costs. Every customer you help has the potential to become part of a growing foundation of recurring residual income that continues to build over time. This isn't about chasing the next commission. It's about creating long-term value for your customers and for yourself. You'll have access to industry-leading technology, comprehensive training, experienced mentors, and a nationwide platform that allows you to work remotely while building a business with unlimited growth potential. Whether you have years of sales experience or you're simply willing to learn, your future will be determined far more by your commitment than by your past. The people who succeed aren't always the smartest or the luckiest. They're the ones who make a decision, commit to the process, and refuse to give up when others quit. Your future isn't waiting for someone else to create it. It's waiting for you to take the first step. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.